Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a pet slow food bowl. So this is supposed to keep my dog from eating way too fast. So let's see what this looks like and stuff. So let's check it out. And let's see. This is it here. So it looks like it comes with, it looks like all the pieces come apart to make it nice and easy to clean. We have this piece here, so this is going to even make it harder. So you've got, first you've got that challenge, and then you've got this challenge, and then we can put the top on it here, and line it up and twist it, and there we go. So that'll make it even more challenging to eat. So let's give this thing a try on Penny here and see if we can get some food. Penny, you want a snack? Oh, Penny. Yum, yum. Okay, so I'm gonna put some here, and we're gonna try her right here and see. I don't know if she'll eat on the counter here, but look, let's see. Let's aim you guys down. Boom, 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 boom. Let's move this over. I don't want my dog to fall off the counter. There you go, look. Can you get the food? Look. She's gonna look at it. You wanna eat the food? Not sure she's gonna want to try. Not sure she's gonna want to try it right now because she did just eat, and also she's up on the counter. I don't even know if she knows what to do up on the counter here. So, you like that, Penny? Good girl. Good girl. Here you go. Look, it's your foodies. Well, I guess not, but we'll give it a try later when it's feeding time. But super cool. Thumbs up.